So let's talk about the problem. And it's the elephant in the room. Why marketing fails and so many foundation repair and basement waterproofing contractors get this wrong. You're basically great at what you do. You know how to fix foundations. You know how to keep basements dry. But when it comes to getting consistent leads, that's kind of where it all falls apart. And here, that's what we're just kind of seeing all the time. We're relying too much on word of mouth, or we're throwing money at ads without tracking and following up. Or we let hot leads go cold because no one was there to follow up fast enough. If any of this sounds familiar, it's not a knowledge problem. It's a skill problem. The system is not working, and we have to figure out how to make it work. Most contractors don't have time to write content or build out automations or even test ads. And that's exactly why AI is such a game changer. It gives you the power to compete with those bigger companies without hiring an entire marketing team to do one thing and every other thing. And today I'll show you that we're solving each one of these problems with simple AI tools and real automations that run while you're on the job site.